Welcome back to the another vlog of the Rishikesh. Those who have watched the previous vlog must have known that we have covered a number of places of the Rishikesh. In this vlog, you are going to see Secret Waterfall as well as Ganga Aarti of Triveni Ghat. In this vlog, I will take you to the scenic track of the Secret Waterfall to the holy devotion of the Ganga Aarti. Let's start it. As we have taken our hotel in the Tapovan area of the Rishikesh, so we had started our trek from the same area. There will always be a water stream constantly moving with you, and you have to follow that stream on the road, and you will reach the secret waterfall by yourself. Those of you who have a question whether you can come here with a bike or a scooty, then yes, you can, but I will say you should prefer trekking. Weather in the morning is cold, usually stays cold, so you will not have any issue in the trekking. Yeah, trek is about 2 to 3 kilometers, but yeah, if you enjoy the view and don't see it as a hectic, then you can easily complete it. And if you have a friends with you, then it's a top-notch thing to do. And by all this scenic route, you will reach the secret waterfall. It's so beautiful, trust me. It's so calm, it's so peaceful. You will enjoy your company here. And there's a dhaba nearby where you can eat a lunch or breakfast at whatever time you come. Up next in the vlog is a Triveni Ghat Ganga Aarti. Who doesn't want to see it? I got a golden opportunity to witness the Ganga Aarti of Triveni Ghat. The atmosphere, the people are so devoted, you will get calm by seeing just the stream of the Ganga river. For your information, Ganga Aarti starts at 6 p.m. and have a glimpse of the Ganga Aarti.